One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be DIYing a old dresser that my son had in his room before me doing his room over. I am going to turn it into a sofa table. So and everything that I'm using I already had on hand, so I didn't have to buy anything for this project. It's pretty much a shop your house DIY. So I've had this dresser sitting here for about 2 or 3 years. And it's just been collecting stuff from even on underneath this tablecloth. Y'all are gonna see so much stuff. And my dining room has turned into a catch-all spot, and I'm getting ready to change that up and get rid of all of the stuff that's in there. But I don't know why everybody relied on me to deal with the mail in the house, and it's becoming a problem, which it shouldn't be, because I actually have a shredder that's brand new in the box that's been sitting for years. So yeah, that's another thing. So that's what I'm doing. I'm cleaning off all of this stuff, and yeah, you're gonna get ready to see all of the clutter that I have underneath this tablecloth, but we're gonna get all of that together.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, wow, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams, living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams, living in my dreams. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and then she could laugh of a little lies to tell yourself it right. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. She's unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truth.
So let me take the time out and just acknowledge these pants that I have on, because these things are way too big for me, y'all. I have to pull them up almost to my breast in order for them to fit like they're supposed to, and as you can see, they fell down. These are like comfort pants for me. I used to be big, and since I've lost weight, there's some things that I just can't get rid of. Some things that I just like to wear for comfort, and these are part of the pants. And also, I was going to be painting, so I didn't want to wear any of my other ones. So, yeah, I had to call all these pants.
taking, just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me.
Alright, so I've taken the bottom part that keeps the stuff from falling down at the bottom of the dresser, and I'm about to cover it up with this paper that I got from Dollar Tree. It's the sticky paper that you can put in your cabinets, just to make it look like a faux piece of wood at the bottom. If you watch me DIY the nightstand to this dresser, then you notice that I used my daughter the planks from her old bed as the bottom. So I didn't have enough to do this project, so this is what I'm doing, and this will probably be temporarily until I get some wood that I can use at the bottom. But I mean, overall it looks okay to me, so tell me what you guys think in the comments below.
Living, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me, yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls. Bury my best friend, I'm manifesting, but not concerned. Cause whatever happens, I'm good. seats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks. 'Cause somehow we made it. We're always protected while building our legacy. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for
Alright, y'all, this is the finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you don't leave without hitting subscribe, comment, and like. And make sure you turn on your notification bell so you're aware of when I drop videos. See you in the next one. Bye.
I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your